Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the app in Start. Type its name and wait for results. Once found, right-click the app tile or entry and inspect the menu. Make sure you see options like Open File Location or more. If Open File Location appears, click it to reveal the executable. If not, right-click, choose More than Open File Location from there. This gives you the file to create a shortcut from, which is faster than hunting through folders. Now that you have the executable highlighted, right-click it and choose Send to then Desktop, Create Shortcut. Once the desktop shortcut appears, you can rename it by pressing F2 or right-clicking and picking Rename. Use a clear name so you can find it quickly. Alternatively, drag the exe with the Alt key held to any folder to create a shortcut there. Make sure to test the shortcut by double-clicking it so you confirm it launches the correct app. Finish by pinning the shortcut. Right-click it and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar for immediate access. If the pin options are missing, make sure you created the shortcut from the actual executable and not a store placeholder. Recreate it from the programs. Exe and try again, or run File Explorer as administrator. If the shortcut won't open, check the shortcut's target path and properties. If it's broken, recreate it or reinstall the app to restore the correct executable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.